Let's dive into this breakthrough study that looks at combining two already approved drugs to tackle fatty liver disease and its related heart problems.
Yep, right. It's fascinating how researchers at the University of Barcelona took pemafibrate, a lipid-lowering agent, and telmisartan, which is an antihypertensive, to see if together they can reverse the fat buildup in the liver.
Exactly. And, what's so cool is that fatty liver disease, we call it metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease now, affects almost 1 in 3 adults, and it's a major risk factor for cardiovascular issues.
That's huge. And from what I understand, they used both rat models and even zebrafish larvae, right? That seems like a smart move to speed up and diversify the testing process.
Yeah, it's like using different stages in animal models helps verify the drug's effects quicker. They saw that when they combined half doses of each drug, it worked just as well as giving a full dose of one.
Yeah, that's a pretty neat synergy. But don't you think there might be concerns about translating animal model results to human patients? I mean, it worked in rats and zebrafish, but what about, human livers?
That's a fair point. The researchers do mention that these are early-stage findings. Clinical trials would need to confirm the benefits in humans. It's promising, though, because drug repurposing is a cost-effective and safer strategy compared to developing new compounds.
True. And I find it interesting how telmisartan, besides its common uses, was shown to boost levels of the PCK1 protein in the liver. This basically shifts the cell's focus from fat creation to making glucose, though it cleverly avoids pushing the blood sugar too high.
Right. It's like the drug's working on multiple fronts. Not only does it reduce the liver fat, but it also helps lower both cholesterol and blood pressure, which are big culprits when it comes to heart disease.
That dual effect is really appealing. Now I'm curious. What do you think about their approach of using lower doses in combination? Could that really reduce toxicity in patients?
Well, it makes sense from a therapeutic standpoint. By combining drugs that work differently, you might reduce the potential side effects that come with higher doses. But I do wonder if there might be unforeseen interactions in the long run.
Exactly. And it looks like they're already planning to explore these possibilities further, even in scenarios where liver fibrosis is in play. Their future studies might even address broad cardiovascular benefits.
Absolutely. It's a really exciting step forward. Repurposing known, safe drugs for chronic diseases that affect millions. Imagine turning a well-known medication into a multi-purpose treatment tool.
Yeah, it's a game changer, for sure. And while we wait for clinical trials, it's encouraging to see such innovative approaches in targeting one of the most common liver diseases worldwide.
Definitely staying tuned to these developments will be key. It's research like this that opens the door to more accessible and safer treatment options.
Yep, without a doubt.